Hey guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'll be showing you how to mate your pigs, or breed, whatever you like to call it. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do, usually you go find your pigs if you're just playing on survival, but if you want to do your own pig farm or something like that, spawn in 2 grown-up pigs. Feed them potatoes. They might eat more than that, but right now I'm just showing you if they eat potatoes. See, there's the baby pig. And it will follow his mom. So we'll let him follow whoever he wants to follow. Oh no. Yep, he's following his mom. Right there, his mom. Well, bye guys. Like and subscribe. Helps the YouTube algorithm. Bye.